Good morning, students. Now we discuss second passage of the 1.5, his first flight. Look at the second passage starts from the sun was dash dash again to wait it. Remember, in the first passage we come to know parents motivate, inspire to take his first flight, but he is afraid of. Let us see how do they motivate again to take his first flight. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his legs that faced the south. So in the second passage means second day, and the same way the sun rises in the east and spreading its light, and it's a beautiful picture in the morning time. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. So, yesterday, parents attempted, he could not fly, and parents did not give him food, and that's why he could not sleep well. He was starving, he was so hungry in the next day. He stopped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hiding under his wings. So he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. So holding up, standing on a one leg, just closing eyes, pretending that he is in sleep mode. He closed his one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still, they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and sisters lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening, the father of his white back. Only his mother was looking at him, and she was standing on a little high hump of the plateau. So, morning picture he was observing here from the top and downside small plateau where father, mother, that picture he was observing. Her white breast thrust forward now and again. She tore at each side of her beak on his rock. The sight of food that way, scraping his beak now and again to whet it, to sharpen it. Now, in this morning time, he just opened his eyes and he tried to just show off, standing on one leg, spreading the wings. Now he is trying to fly, only showing off, but he was not showing off, he was pretending, and he wants to take only sound sleep and not desire to fly. Then near the plateau the parents near the plateau, they try to sharpen their beaks. They try to catch the fish and showing him, look, in the morning time, we get up early in the morning, we catch the fish, we sharpen the beaks. That picture they were showing. So somehow desire comes and he fly in the sky. Especially what do they show on that plateau? They caught fish. Yesterday that little seagull bird was hungry, and next day now he wants food. So the food was kept here particular on that plateau. So looking at least he open his wings and takes his first flight. But this time also he was silent. He could not muster up his courage. So this is about the second passage. Now in this second passage, what do we understand? We understand his parents and his family members. They are trying to motivate, to inspire that attempts In the first attempts also they got failure, okay, accepted. Second time also in the second passage they attempted second day. Even then they are not negative towards him. They are very positive and optimistic towards him, and they have taken desire that one day we will teach him to take his first flight. How does he not fly? Let us see. So that much given in the second passage. Now about second passage, let us see new words. First word is preening. Preening means here making an effort to clean feathers with the beak. Second, hump. Hump means a round raised mass on land. Third, scraped means rubbed. And last word is whet. W-H-E-T. It's a new word. Whet means make it sharpen or sharpen. According to question paper format, the same one, A1 factual, A2 complex factual, A3 vocabulary, A4 grammar. In grammar, we have two examples you are asked. So let us see. Number one, he saw his two brothers. Suggestion, change the voice. So how do we change? Just first look at where is verb. Saw. Saw means MV2. MV2 means simple past tense, active voice. Means we have to write passive voice, simple past tense. So write first object, his two brothers. Then helping verb was where. According to object, decide where. Then saw, converted MV3, seen. And subject by him. Subjective become objective by him. So in this way, change the voice is written. Number two, here only his mother was looking at him. Make it negative. So in place of only, if you write opposite, it becomes negative. Answer is no one else except his mother was looking at him. And in this passage here, A5, that is personal response, thinking based, it's very important. Every time here students are able to write all questions, and in personal response they could not write their thinking and personal opinion. What is question? What role should parents play while teaching skills to their children? Now in the second passage we understand here little seagull, and other side his mother and father, and they were teaching skills. Now what kind of skills? As a human being we understand teaching skills means here listening, speaking, reading, writing, soft life skills. But in the life of animal, what is the teaching skill? Just take off, first flight, then fly in the sky, how to rescue, how to catch fish and enjoy the life. So these are the teaching skills. Now here you are asked that what role should the parents play while teaching skills to their children. Means what precautions do your parents take to teach their son and daughter. So definitely learning skill requires a lot of practice. We know that if you want to learn any skill, practice is very important. Practice makes man perfect. The person who wants to develop skills in their personality must do efforts of his own. So if others do effort, you get nothing. If you are hungry, you take food, not your parents. So that point we always remember. If you want to achieve something, do yourself. Do attempt, and not your parents and teachers attempt. We know that 90% perspiration of students' hard work and 1% inspirations of your parents and teacher is called success. So here we have to remember. Parents should play only supporting role while molding the characters of their children. What is the role of parent? They mold the character of the children. They are guide. They just provide the way. Individually, self, you have to walk, travel. It's a journey and not a destination. They just show proper direction, and rest of the things depend upon the learner. Parents, teachers, they are just a guide. They show how to learn. They just show, they guide and show the way. And as a learner, you have to learn with your attempt. So that way, within 4 to 5 sentence, we have to write its personal response. So this is about the passage number 2. Here, second passage is completed. Let us see third passage. Thank you.